Okay, I'm gonna prepare a Apple IIGs board to do a change of the wash chip on the board, on the main board. So I'm protecting the rest of the board for some heat, so it's safe around the rest of the area that I'm going to work on. I don't want the heat to go anywhere else other than this place over here. Okay, so now I'm gonna put some flux trim and we're gonna do the extraction of the chip now. Okay. This is gonna take about a minute or so. I'm gonna be counting 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. It's out. 205 degrees. Measure 184 measure with the digital meter. Okay, the IC is out. It's in a good condition. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're gonna just do some clean and swap in the new one. Okay, I think I'm not gonna use the reflow hot air anymore, so I'm gonna remove this from the board. So we can put the wash chip back in to place. Okay, now what we're going to do, I'm going to clean this place. So now we go. Let's do some cleaning here. It's probably too low. It's not that hot. It's not ready. What's happening here? Okay, now. Okay, let's do it the other way. So we're gonna tint all the way back like this, and like that. Okay. So we have this clean in place. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tint the IC that I'm going to put back in here. Okay. This is, wow. I'm going to do this like this. And like this before I need to tint these legs. Okay, so here missing here. Okay, it's tint already. This is not that easy, but doing it here on the air. But I'll manage to do. Okay, I think I have it ready. Maybe I do inspection on the microscope, but I think this is all done. There's one here. Okay. So now this is tint and the other side is tint. Now we're gonna get this baby aligned. Okay, I think I'm gonna try to do this corner first. Okay, that's in there. Yep, the rest is in there. So I'm gonna do this corner too. Okay, now the IC is in place. I'm gonna zoom in for you guys. Let me see, 2.5 right there. I think we need just a little bit more light. Okay, I think it's a little bit twisted here. Right there, it's much better. I think is see this pin. the solder. I'm trying to do this without the microscope, and it's a little bit hard. I think I'm gonna have to use the microscope at the end. Yep. I'm not happy with the alignment here. Okay, that one is there. This one here is okay. Gonna do them all, okay? Like that. Ooh. Okay, I think I need to get my microscope to verify this. Okay, we're gonna do the test of this 2GIS that I have changed the wash shape. Now I'm gonna plug in the power supply with this 220 to 110 adapter, and let's power this baby up. Okay, we have a screen. Okay, the floppy is in. I think I'm gonna see if I can get another keyboard and a booty or something. Okay, I'm gonna pause this and we'll continue in a bit, okay? Okay, we're back again here, and we're gonna boot from system 6.04. Okay, now the system is booting, and as you can see, we have a screen, and we have an untitled floppy drive, and seems to be, things are looking good, okay? Before I get kind of errors on this over here. Now let me open up this floppy. disk drive, this. Okay, before I couldn't reach out the floppy disk. Now everything seems to be working fine. Let's see. Okay, let me close this here. Let me disk special icon info. Okay, this is a Product 3.5-inch disc with 5K in the disc, 795 free. Good. Let me do a format. Or erase or initialize. Well, let's initialize the disk. Okay. On title, let's call it something else. Let's call it Apple IIGs. And we're gonna do a products. And let's do a final test. The supply name is not as, oh, well, maybe it's because I need to put this here. Maybe like that will work. No. Well, let's remove this. Just leave Apple too. Let's just call it Apple. That's it. Okay, initialize. Initializing. And the disk is doing its thing. And I'm very happy now. I have my 2GS working the floppy disk drive section because the worship was bad. And thanks to my friend in the US that he sent me a worship the number on the worship is different than the original, but it works. This is the original, is 344S0041, and the one that I swap in here is a I can read now. Let me get some light over here. I don't know. Okay, let me get some zoom in here and some light. This is a 344S0040, and this is a 41. Okay, so Peter, you should be happy that thanks to you we have my Apple IIGs back to work. Okay, this is done doing the format. As you can see, this is a 4K in the disc, 797 free already. And you may wonder about this. Well, is that I did a mod on this floppy disk drive, and I swapped the guts. It's on one of my videos in my YouTube channel, and you can make it a floppy disk high density by swapping just with a Sony disk drive, a 1.44 Sony disk drive, and you can use it on your Macintosh Classics or any other Macintosh. It will recognize it as a 1.44. Okay, and with the Apple sauce you can do more goodies about it. You can do all kind of stuff with it. You can format any kind of disk, 400, 800, 1.44 in Macintosh, DOS, you name it. Okay, that's with the Apple sauce. You can do that. You can do all that. Okay, here's a small view of my Apple One, just and some other classics there. Some printers. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna get this baby back into its case, and it's ready for some rock and roll for many years. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'm very happy that between all of us, we made the fix all the way from Ohio. I think Peter lives, no, in Texas, sorry. Peter lives in Texas. He sent that to Javier in Florida, and Javier sent that to me here in Spain. So a long journey, finally, I fixed my 2GS. Okay, thanks for watching. Okay, and one last test. I'm gonna boot from the floppy to do the check of booting just right out of the floppy disk drive. Power on, checking the disk. It's booting from the disk, as you can see, Apple II, and in a couple of seconds, look, it's loading the Apple II desktop. It's ready. As you can see, just the floppy disk drive with the desktop. Okay, this finalized the repair. Everything working like a champ. Thanks for watching.